Edo Deputy Govunor Engineer Godwin Marvelous Omobayo don pledge him commitment to the welfare of the students of Edo origin wey dey for various institutions for the country. The Deputy Governor talked this one when he hosts the leaders of the National Association of Edo Students for Nigeria Law School for im office for Benin City. Engineer Godwin Omobayo come talk say he understand wetin dem dey pass through as him na professional engineer himself and come pray for dem say when dem graduate from law school their career go dey very successful. He come still promise dem say even though he stay for office as deputy governor dey short, he go make sure say Edo law students dey supported to enable dem make dem finish well.
And I know what this means to you. The law school, when you don't pass through the law school, it appears you are not yet a buyer. That is the professional implication. And we know that there are very few pieces of you around in the country. And we can only pray that as soon as you are done, God will strengthen your career. Some of you who want to be judges will be judges. Those of you who want to be senior advocates will advocate well for the country. For me, the duration is short, but when it comes to impact, it doesn't matter the number of days. God can change the fortune of a man in just one moment, like he changed mine. So I don't see duration as a serious problem. We may not be able to do bulk of capital projects, but grants like this, because it's the way my perspective, whatever, I've been looking at what activities we could do so that within the short period of stay, at least the youth will feel our impact.
President National Association of Edo Students for the Nigeria Law School, Aigbiko George, come present letter from the association wey list the challenges of the students to the deputy governor and come talk say the reason for the grant na to help them reduce the hardship wey dem dey face for school and ease some expenses.
The reason for the grant, just as rightly stated, is to help cushioning the harsh effect on us. It hasn't been easy for us. Textbooks, also we're going for our externship, and most of us will be posted out of our jurisdiction, of which we have to attend court proceedings, go to our chambers and law.
That's the court attachment, right?
Yes, sir. And after by grace of God, once we are done with our bar finance, we still have to travel all the way to the Supreme Court for our court bar ceremony. And we all know what the price of a wig, gown, and other legal robes and apparel is now. So we decided to come and intimate once more.
Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Benin City, Pelumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.